At the dawning of the 20th century, universalism, openness to other cultures, and faith in progress were the driving visions of society. The Paris World Exhibition, held in 1900, Figure 1, which can be found in the print and e-book versions of this book, one of the major world's fairs in history, hosted more than 50 million visitors. Dozens of countries around the globe gathered to share their culture and accomplishments, and to celebrate the achievements of the previous century while preparing for the future. Artistic innovations, Art Nouveau, new means of transportation, the first line of the Paris Metro, and architectural masterpieces, Petit and Grand Palais, were either reserved or built for this exhibition. From electricity to the new cinematograph invented by the Lumiere brothers, several technological innovations of major importance were displayed for the first time. An important world chess tournament was played involving the best players from the United States, the United Kingdom, the Russian Empire, Austria-Hungary, the German Empire, France, and Cuba. The second modern Summer Olympic Games were also held in Paris in 1900. 28 nations, 1,000 athletes, and for the first time ever, 22 women took part in the event. The Swiss sailor Hélène du Portalis was awarded the first gold medal as a crew member of the winning team in the 1 to 2 ton sailing event, and the English tennis player Charlotte Cooper was the first woman to obtain the individual title of Olympic champion. A comparable zeitgeist affected law. The same year, Paris was also the venue of the first International Congress of Comparative Law, the event that is widely considered to be the conventional establishment of comparative law as a discipline. A similar spirit of universalism, inclusiveness, and openness toward foreign cultures and traditions inspired the Congress. Experts gathered to discuss the nature, targets, and methodology of legal comparison, and, no less important, to investigate how to achieve a set of universal unifying principles. By translating the foreign into the familiar, comparative law promised to make these universal principles apparent by helping to delineate a common law for the civilized world, as stated by Raymond Saleha, the main organizer of the Congress and one of the founding figures of those jurists in quiets who played a pivotal role in the critique of what represented the epitome of strict national positivism, the École de l'exégèse. If the Congress of Paris set the theoretical foundations of comparative scholarship, the practical vocation of comparative law was especially emphasized at the Universal Congress of Lawyers and Jurists, held 4 years later, in St. Louis, Missouri, the founding act of comparative law in the United States.